Good day, everyone, and welcome to Nizaluchi. Welcome to another epic episode. I'm your host, Osabulwaga Zuma Omshuluzi, and I say welcome to join me. So, 2025 is the year of election, and things already have started. They are happening. In the past weekend, the Electoral Commission of South Africa, in the past weekend, this is not long ago, mark this, was calling on eligible citizens to register to participate in the upcoming local government election. So, as usual, we know that now two parties are always grandstanding, the MK Party and the African National Congress. And you know, the drama continues, it does not stop. The MK Party SG, Spoiler Nomvalo, was seen with the MK Party members together with the ANC members as they were celebrating. Something happened there. Spoiler Nomvalo recruited ANC members, ANC delegation, people who were there on that VD to represent the ANC for mobilization and registration. Party members giving them free MK Party t-shirts next to their registration tent. I told you the drama has started already, and when time goes on, we'll see more and more and more of this. Let us check this video here. While you think you've seen it all, the ANC, on the other hand, pulls up another drama of the year. The ANC members are caught in corruption. The ANC, just imagine the first weekend of registration, already the ANC is caught up. The ANC is caught up. What happened there? Let us jump to the video. I want you to see how the corruption is happening there.
Ngifuna ukuyenza ukuthi nikhona ukubona uze nalezi zinto lezi inside the VD ne i-official bamnikeza ama-ID now wabantu. So I'm asking ukuthi is this what, no, it doesn't matter, is this what the legislation says? Kune legislation, kune IEC Act as regulator ukuthi how do we do these processes? Angali ukuthi siyazana.
The ANC officials received some food, cold drinks, everything. They were sorted. They are having the best lunch of their time. But now what was so sad is that that food that came there did not only come there, but it came also accompanied by dozens of IDs. IDs that had no owners. ID copies. Without the owners, they were present there on a record. That then is corruption, because according to the IEC, when a person is there on that VD station, the person is supposed to be present because this is not an online whereby you will just upload your information and give your ID number and your names and your records there. When you're going to the VD station, you need to be present so that the party agents who are registering you, they will see your face and confirm that indeed you are the card owner. But now, the first day of registration, already things are going south. The ANC with corruption. We will still see more of this.
पैगाम देता हूं कि आप अपना वोट रजिस्टर कराएं और अपना वोट कास्ट करें और ANC की भरपूर हमायत करें। मैं इस पे बहुत खुश हूँ, ये सारे ANC के लोग बैठे हुए हैं। आप अपना जिस पार्टी को भी वोट देना चाहिए, आपकी अपनी राय है, मगर ANC नेल्सन मंडेला इज द बेस्ट वे। थैंक यू गाइस।
We'll still see more of this going to the 4th of November. So there's this lady that I want to insert for you. She said something very interesting. In fact, I was just shocked because, you know, some of us, we knew about this, but from the distance. When now this corruption.
Sanibonani sizwe sakithi, ngithemba ukuthi niphilile. Uyazi ngibhizi ngicabanga indaba yokuthi my friend sebe nobuzwe futhi they are organized politically. For the longest time bengi umuntu ongakholelwa kulento yokuthi DA inama numbers. But uma sengibuke inakhuzana political system yase South Africa ngale ukuthi bakhona ama clever blacks avotela iDA. But nje sengibuke political system yase South Africa ukuthi isebenza ngokuthi ngisho no ungavotanga uvotile. Even if you didn't cast your vote, laba bahambile bayovota bakudecidelile. Uhulumeni kusho ukuthi uyalithatha ivote lakho awacaza amavote enu nini ningavotanga, awacazelele amaqembu. Ingakho ngisho iqembu elivotelwa abantu abancane ligcina lifikile eParliament. Ihlalo zalo ama numbers lapho akhushulwa ingxenye free population enkulu engavotile. So right now iANC ingenwe my friend, you understand? My friend, they are organized but akuvotwe. Uyabona ke wena umuntu oyipride ngokuthi awuvoti wena futhi akwazi ukuvota, uzokhala emathonsi imeya yakhe si my friend. Laba bantu they are organized, they have money, they've bought a citizenship. Noma bayitholile ke citizenship ngendlela abayithole ngayo ngoba uhulumeni wethu sesitshengisile futhi ukuthi bamdibu munye no my friend bonke. You understand? Mina ke ngithi uyabona njengoba ubuwazi ukuthi ama politician ayathengwa. My friend ke manje akasafuna ukulithenga ipolitician, usefuna ukuba yipolitician yena qobo lwakhe. Uzokhala ezimathonsi my friend seyipolitician eseshaya imithetho. And zonke izinto esithi I transform South Africa as it stands currently. How much more my friends sebegcwele eParliament? And ucabanga ukuthi kuzobanzima ukuthi my friend bangene eParliament? Ngeke kube nzima ukuthi my friend bangene eParliament. Even if eParliament ngeke ngene bona qobo bazongenelwa umuntu omnyama osponsorishwe yibo my friend. So when South African, when you have this one option and this one choice where you get to choose ukuthi ivoti lakho liya kuphi, you choose not to vote, automatically uvotela iANC, automatically uvotela iDA, automatically uvotela wonke lamaqembu ahambisana nabantu bokufika. Uyazi ukuthi yini eyingozi ngokungavoti ukuthi uyakhethelwa either way. Uvotile awuvotanga uvotile okusalayo because the system isebenza kanjalo. I think le message bekufanele ngiyenze ngiyisho futhi ngithi itsheleni nabanye ukuthi uvotile uvotanga kusalayo. Kukabili it's either when uyayikhethela ukuthi uvotela abantu or uhulumeni uyakukhethela wena ukuthi uyalicana ivoti lakho liyisa kubani. So ngisho ngaye pride uthi I've never voted unamanga. Just say ukuthi when you've never made a choice yokuvota but uhulumeni uyakuvotela. Thani wena uyitakalani uyavotelwa uyavotiswa. But ungasho ukuthi you've never voted because your vote in the greater scale liyathathwa liyocanwa lingene emaqembini iqembu wena ongalikhethanga. So I urge all South Africans, choose a devil phakathi kwalabo Satan. Choose a devil and vote for them. You understand? That's all I can say to you. Choose someone la uvotele yena kunokuthi uthi wena ivoti lakho kungcono ba decide ngalo. Bazokudecidela uzokhala ezimathonsi my friend eseyimeya yakho. We understand? Lama chips abolile akudlisa wona manje. Uzowadla ke manje day and night. Empeleni limka ngempela izwe. Ngiyacela niyimisele.
Whosoever said that the IEC is the branch of the ANC was telling us the truth. There's a lot of corruption that is happening, and there's a lot of corruption, as I've said, that will happen there, coming from the political parties, coming from the side of the IEC. Because you know what she has said there in that video? I was so very shocked to say that. Is that the voting process? Is that the approach that the IEC has adopted to run its course and to give us the final results of all now the parties represented and elected in parliament? If now that is the case, it means we are in deep trouble than we ever anticipated. That's why now you'll understand why the ANC is not dealing with the issue of illegal immigration, because they are gaining with this. They know that some of the people who stay here for too long, they end up becoming citizens, or they bribe and buy this ID. Then in return, then the ANC will gain like that. That is now why they win always. That is why they win always. I don't know what's your take on this, because such things, we hear them from far. But now when you see corruption being done by party agents and political parties, that is when now you'll see that this entire system of the IEC, it's broken already. But it's our system. What's your take on this? Do you think that the IEC will ever be credible and bring honest, safe and fair results? I don't know. The MK Party, on the other hand, they've taken them to court. And, you know, you hear these allegations after allegations after allegations. Then it will be happening. 2025, come the 4th of November. We can't wait. Until we meet on the next video, don't forget, you can leave a comment on the section below. And you can subscribe to this political YouTube channel. And let us meet here again. And I'm out.